The next part of the lab is we want to look at how resistor color codes work. And if you notice, a resistor, all it is it's designed to block the flow of electric current. There's a secret little color code that is international, so it doesn't matter what country you go to. They're all the same color code in terms of how they work there. And all it is it's bits of carbon and ceramic material designed to precisely block the flow of current, a certain amount of ohms, so that you get the right amount of current to whatever part of the circuit you need. Here's how it works. It's actually pretty simple. The first digit is the first color band. The second digit is the second color band. The third band is the number of zeros. And then you have what's called the tolerance. A 10 ohm resistor. Notice what's in the number 10. The first digit is the number what? 1. So how do you represent 1? Brown. What's the second digit in the number 10? The second digit is 0. So how do you represent that? It would be black. Black is for 0. Now this is where people get confused. This is the number of extra zeros. That might be a helpful way to help you remember that. The number of additional zeros. So how many more zeros are in their number 10? There are 0 more zeros. So how do you say that? You would say black. And then the last band is what we call the tolerance. Excuse me, which is how accurate the resistor is. So ideally you want it to be 100% accurate, but in real life it's not an exact science there. So for us, we spent big money. Wow. I think these are like 50 cents at Radio Shack. We got you the gold resistors. They're only off by 5%. What does that mean? These are all gold ones. If this was 100 ohms, it could be 105 down to 95 ohms. Ideally, though, 100 is the goal. If you want to have a really precise resistor, the best one is the red band resistor. It's only off by 2%. That would be for sensitive electronics, like your cell phone, computers, military applications, etc. At South, they can't afford these good ones, so they have the nasty resistors, the ghetto ones. They're off by 20%. Just kidding. So anyway, let's see if you understand the resistor color code. I want you to take 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever. Try to decode the rest. 100 ohms, 330 ohms, 560 ohms, and then 1,000 ohms. Give it a shot.